Most day traders don't fail because they picked the wrong stock. They fail because they risk everything trying to be right. One undisciplined trade can wipe out a trading account you spent months building. But one simple rule can keep you in the game long enough to actually see consistent profits. Now, here's my #1 risk management rule that keeps day traders alive. It's faith and fortitude trading.
We don't chase moments, we build systems. It's process over profits and emotions. We trade with real wisdom.
What's happening, F&F traders? Welcome back to Faith and Fortitude Trading, where it's process over profits. Here, we build faith, discipline, strategy, and stewardship, which leads to abundance. I'm multi-hyphenate Dion Jordan Jr. Let's lock in. All right, family. Most new traders think success comes from getting lucky by hearing about and jumping into the right stock. But I'm gonna give you some game. You can hop in the right stock at the wrong time and wipe out your whole trading account. The traders who survive this game don't win because they're smarter. They win because they manage losses better than everybody else. Today, I'm gonna give you the exact risk management framework that kept me in the game long enough to go from horrible to making money. Since that's really what y'all here for, the making money part. Now, if you come into trading overconfident or arrogant, the market is gonna humble you quickly. You will be wrong, you will miss time entries, and you will chase what's moving just because it's moving. And if you don't control risk, then one bad trade can erase months of progress. And that's why the F&F mindset is different. We don't ask, how much can I make each day? We ask, how much am I willing to lose if I'm wrong? And that one mindset shift separates gamblers from traders. My core risk management rule, my #1 rule is simple. Never risk more than 1% of your trading account per day. That's not per trade, that's per day. That means if you have a $2,000 account, then your max daily risk is $20. $10,000 account, max daily risk, $100. $100,000 account, your max daily risk is $1,000. And if you have a $1 million account, then your max daily risk is $10,000. No matter how much you have in your account, risk no more than 1% each day. And if you lose that amount, you're done for the day. No revenge trading, no doubling down, and no emotional decisions. You shut the laptop and come back tomorrow. Now let me tell you why this rule works. This rule protects you from the biggest enemy in trading, your own emotions. When undisciplined traders lose, they try to make the money back immediately. They double down the amount of shares they trade, which doubles risk. They break rules, they chase momentum, and before they know it, they turn a small manageable loss into a big unnecessary one. Now, setting risk limits with a solid risk management plan stops that spiral before it even begins. And let me show you the simple math that most people never calculate. If you lose 1% every day, it would take over 70 losing days in a row to destroy your account. That almost never happens. But if you risk 10% every trade, you can wipe out your whole account in one bad morning. Small risk is what keeps you in the game long enough to actually develop skill. And survival is the first step to profitability. The stocks I trade are typically $2 to $10 stocks, low float, high momentum plays, up at least 30% on the day. They have a real news catalyst and at least 5 times relative volume. And once the stock checks every box of my F&F trading rules checklist, I wait for a bull flag pullback on the 1 and 5 minute charts. Then I take a position where my risk management stays within that 1% risk management rule. Now, trading is a game of probabilities, like poker. It's not completely based on intelligence like chess is. So you can do everything right, and that trade might not work out. Following my rules gives me a 60 to 70% edge, so I know it'll work out for me more than it fails. And that's all I need to be abundantly successful. If my setup fails, I get out of the trade. Risk management is actually a stewardship principle. In the Bible, stewardship means protecting what you've been entrusted with. Your capital is a tool. Your trading account is a resource, and protecting that resource is part of trading with discipline and purpose. And that's why at Faith and Fortitude Trading, we don't chase profits, we protect the process. And if you're serious about learning this the right way, start by writing down your trading rules, your risk limits, whether that's 10 cents and out, 20 cents and out, below VWAP and out, or whatever feels manageable to you. Your A+ setup criteria, including your rules and patterns. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, stay here because we break down everything on this channel. And your daily max loss. For you, that's whatever amount equals 1% of your trading account. Because traders who rely on emotions instead of instinct don't last long. But traders who rely on rules and discipline build consistency. And if you want to see exactly how I apply these rules in real time, you can watch me trade live every morning and watch the process unfold live. During these live sessions, you'll watch along as I take my first trade and disclose insider information every day that the market is open. And below this video, you can download my free F&F trading rules checklist. If this helped you, subscribe to the channel and drop a chart in the comments to let me know you made it to the end. Because here at Faith and Fortitude Trading, it's always process over profits. All right, family, let's get to work.
What's free? Free is when you stay home with your kids and you live it how you get it. You don't get it how you live. What's free? Free is when you travel with your wife anywhere.